Welcome to HebTroCo, Northern Clothiers. We're celebrating 10 years since we founded the company in the pub. And I'm wearing the 10-year moleskins. They're called the Decade Moleskin trousers. But we're not here to talk about them. We're here to talk about this wax cotton Roadrunner jacket. So we're going to take a walk in the rain. It's not really raining enough for this jacket. This made from 12-ounce wax cotton fabric. Now, most of the wax cotton jackets that you're going to see on the market, or the decent ones, will be about 8 ounce. And a lot of the fashion ones will be less than that. But we've made this so it's an actual proper motorcycle style wax cotton jacket that can take a hammering. You don't have to be riding a motorbike to wear it. It's a great style. It's cut generously. It's quite a boxy kind of fit, which is adjusted with this belt. So you can see I'm wearing a medium here, and I've got quite a big jumper on underneath, but I can fit a leather jacket under here as well and adjust the belt. Yeah, last year I rode to Finland wearing one of these over my leather jacket on a chopper and went to an avant-garde jazz festival. Now it's probably not for everybody, but that jacket did me proud, and there was quite a lot of rain. It got me there and back. So I can vouch for it as, a waterproof, heavyweight, nice coat. We've got them in stock. They're 325 quid, which is a fair price. It's British made, and it's British made to last. We've got solid brass hardware on it, so you've got this buckle fasten here. It's not a flimsy thing. There's no plastic in it, and we've got burning solid brass poppers on it. We've got a really good chunky brass YKK zip. Middle belt. I mean, look at that. You just don't get stuff like that anymore, but you get it with HebTroCo, because that's what we're about. We're about things that are made that are going to be good, not just on the day that you put them on or the season that you put them on, but for years. You'll be able to wear this jacket for a long time. You can also, when it starts to get worn, you can reproof it. So it's something that's for the long haul. Pretty tasty tartan lining in it as well, I have to say. And all this lining and this outer cloth is from Hallie Stevenson's, who are up in Dundee in magnificent Scotland. Anything else to say, Vic, do you think? No. I think that's it. Have you got it? Got it. It's the Roadrunner. Beep beep.